Don't bring these things to Thailand. Why to be in trouble with things packed in your bag you don't even need them? Or you can have them from Thailand. Yes, recently I've met one of my friends at the airport who had packed some unnecessary stuff that caused him troubles and lots of money. I'm gonna talk about that during the vlog. Now first, without wasting any time, let me update you about the latest regulations concerning what to bring and not to bring to Thailand. Some of them you might know and some of them might surprise you.
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna start from this point. Recently, when I was coming back to Thailand from a short vacation, and while I was waiting my luggage, there was this big board in front of me. And I guess the location of the board was intentional, so that while you are waiting your luggage, you can read and have an idea about some of the regulations, what to pack and not to pack, what to declare and not to declare. The first thing caught my attention was the alcohol, because I got 2 bottles of wines in my bag, and on the board it says only 1 liter is permitted, and I was confused. I thought it was 1.5 or 2 liters maximum. Frankly, my wines were around 1.25 liter. Now I didn't get into any troubles or inspection, my luggage arrived in one piece, but I want to update you here. Only 1 liter is permitted, that's the rule. Now what you bring is up to you, but my advice, keep it close to the rule. And you can buy alcohol from Thailand. Almost everything is available, and the prices are reasonable. Unless you want to bring something special, then no need to pack.
Let's see what happened to the racket. Anyway, it's one piece.
Okay, that's concerning alcohol. The second thing I saw was the cigarettes and tobacco. Well, here, I don't have any problems because I don't smoke. But I do use some electronic vapes from time to time. I'm gonna talk about it later. And you should watch that part because it's so important. Coming back to cigarettes, only 250 cigarettes are permitted, or 250 grams of cigars or tobacco. Now, or means a lot. You cannot bring 250 cigarettes and 250 grams of tobacco and cigars all together. It should be one of them or combination. Here I want to jump back to my friend case. The poor guy brought 400 cigarettes and 2 packs of cigars and some tobacco. Now he bought all of them from the duty free. And he was happy carrying them, smiling, jiggling the bag in his hand. And this happened after getting his bags. And yes, he had some fun before he settled things and paid the fine for them. Concerning electronic cigarettes, vapes, hookah and such things, never ever bring them, because they are not permitted. Yes, many of you will tell me I had my electronic cigarettes or vapes in my handbag or pocket. Well, yes, you might have them, but just in case they caught you, then you will be in trouble. You can buy them from Thailand, so keep them at home and enjoy the local products.
How much?
I show you, I sell this one.
500.
How much you pay?
Before I continue, I want to tell you this. After getting your bags and while you are walking to the exit points, there are scanners and inspection points that says if you want to declare something, you should. And sometimes, just sometimes, there could be cases where you have to pass your bag again into the scanner. Now, never happened with me, but I saw some cases, and I wanted to tell you about that. Now let's go to the board. This is also important concerning how much cash to bring, and if you have more, you have to declare it. It says here 450,000 Thai baht or 15,000 US dollars. And of course, concerning other currencies, the same amount. No worries, here if you have more, you can declare it. And definitely many people bring more than that amount, and they don't declare it sometimes. But here, I am going with the basic rules, and not what happened with everyone. The purpose of this vlog to show you the regulations and not the irregular cases. I'm gonna talk about this point too. Food and beverages, fruits and vegetables, the edible stuff. Well, the basic point about this matter is how to pack them and how much you can bring in. You know, I love my food, I bring sometimes with me, but I follow the rules of packing and I don't bring messy things, so I can bring them no problem. The liquid things should not be packed more than 100 ml, and the food should be also packed in proper boxes or plastic bags. It's common sense, but just in case, don't get excited and bring your refrigerator to Thailand. Now before we jump into medication and some prohibited stuff, the last thing I want to mention from the board are the commercial goods. If you are bringing stuff for business commercial purposes, of course in small quantities, you have to declare it. Then take that also into consideration. Medication's also something that confuses a lot of passengers. I'm gonna simplify it too. Your personal medications are permitted, so without any hesitations, you can pack them. If you have excessive amounts cause you will stay long time in Thailand and they are not available here, then carry doctor's prescriptions. Just in case, no one will ask. Don't bring the regular essential pills for headaches, flu and such minor things. They are available in Thailand and they are so cheap. You can buy them without any prescriptions, even from 7-Elevens. So no worries about these things. Now I want to talk about this point too, before I jump into the things that you don't have to bring or never bring them to Thailand. Drones and your flying cams. Yes, you can bring them, but in order to fly them, you have to make the permission from local authorities and have the insurance to cover the accidents. They can be applied online and pay online. I have my drone and the process takes about 2 weeks. So do it before you arrive. And your vlogging cameras, laptops, accessories, no problem at all. As long as they are not Hollywood filming stuff. You know what I mean. Now these things you don't need them in Thailand. I have made a complete detailed vlog about it, but just a reminder. Winter clothing, fancy shoes, lots of clothes, jewelries, lots of makeups and so on. You can have all of them from Thailand, just in case. And yes, most of them you don't need them. You are in a hot Asian country, relax and pack light. Never ever bring these things. Weapons, adult stuff, drugs, explosive things, live animals and so on. Yes, common sense, but just in case you forget them in your bag, well then, happy holidays behind the bars. So my friends, I hope this vlog will be a guide to you to pack safe, light and stay away from troubles. I'm here always to update you about the latest regulations from Thailand and of course without forgetting our entertaining vlogs. Thank you for watching, stay safe and subscribe for more from Live Love Thailand.